Okay, it's 11 a.m. and we are seeing moderate snow in central New Jersey and also some bands of light to moderate snow in northeastern Pennsylvania, leading to that was has developed due to the bands that have surprisingly set up in northeastern Pennsylvania. Problem with those bands setting up in northeastern Pennsylvania is that it's screwing up the forecast in southeastern Pennsylvania, where you're seeing lighter snowfall. Still very heavy snowfall here over the Delmarva Peninsula and down towards southern New Jersey. Wildwood, in fact, is reporting heavy snow with a fourth of a mile visibility. So you're seeing where we thought the heaviest snow would take place, certainly starting to show up, but we're also seeing some lighter snowfall that's having a little bit more difficulty of accumulating. For example, in York Airport, you're seeing a lot of light snow reports, visibility about a mile and a half, but the expectation was that a lot of the banding that you're seeing here was going to set up a little bit further south. But instead, we've seen this development here in northern and northeastern Pennsylvania, which was not expected. You're seeing the banding setting up very nicely here over central New Jersey, over portions of northern New Jersey, in fact, and you're seeing a nice round of moderate heavy snowfall down towards southern New Jersey. Then behind that, you start to see the precipitation shields start to break up here, which again, it gives us about 3 hours of steady snowfall over the northern mid Atlantic. It looks like there's a good chance that southeastern Pennsylvania, because of this band, is not going to verify, but we'll keep an eye on it, see how it plays out. And then you have your upper level low here that's going to be swinging through and setting up. So the way it's setting up right now is, if you look at the forecast here, this area will verify or overperform. This area will verify or overperform, but most likely just verify. This area will verify. This area might not. This area looks like it's verifying very, very nicely, especially down towards Delaware, getting reports over 7 inches of snow. But because of that band up here, this area right here, Harrisburg, Hershey, York, Lancaster, might fall short of the forecast, which was about 3 to 6 here and 6 to 12 here. Clearly, that is not what is occurring based on what we're seeing with the forecast. And you're also seeing here, you now have solidified your strongest mesoscale banding, setting up from basically Maryland through southern New Jersey. This is where your heavy snowfall bands will continue to focus through the rest of the afternoon. And so the latest HRR guidance again, you get a little bit of build back of snowfall, light snowfall over the west, but then by about 2 p.m., everything comes crashing down. And then we get our second wave of snowfall that comes through this evening for basically the southern mid Atlantic. You're talking about Baltimore, Washington, Maryland, Delaware, and extreme southern New Jersey swinging on through with some additional snowfall. That is the 11 a.m. update. We'll continue to have these updates and return again at 12 o'clock.